In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best wine racks of America coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for wine racks of America coupon promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called retrieve.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount right here, all you need to do is tap on this button, copy code, and this is the promo code. You can copy this promo code from right here, and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that 15% discount. Also, we have this website which is called Naji, and right here you have some deals and promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this 15% discount, all you have to do right here is select get codes. And as you can see, you have this promo code right here. You can simply copy this promo code from here and you can apply this code on your next purchase in order to get that 15% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.